this video, we're unboxing and installing the floor mats for Ford Explorer 2015. The cargo mat. First, open the trunk. Here's the cargo mat. Place the cargo mat into the trunk. Pay attention to the seat belt. Pay attention to this position right here. Once it's in place, close the trunk.